In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice for billable time and expenses in QuickBooks Online. If you want QuickBooks to automatically pull tracked time and costs into an invoice, the first thing you need to do is make sure the correct settings are enabled. This is an important setup step, because if billable time is not turned on, QuickBooks will not recognize those hours as something you can later charge to a customer. Start by going to the Settings menu in the top right corner, then choose Account and Settings. From there, click the Time tab on the left side. In the Timesheet section, look for the option called Allow Time to be Billable. Turn that on, then click Save. Once this setting is enabled, QuickBooks can track time entries that are meant to be invoiced later. Next, you'll enter the time activity itself. Click the New button, then select Single Time Activity. This is where you record the work that was done. Choose the name associated with the time entry, then select the correct customer and service. After that, check the Billable box so QuickBooks knows this time should be charged to the client. Enter the hourly rate, and then add the number of hours worked, or use the start and end time fields if that fits your workflow better. Once everything looks correct, click Save. At this point, the billable time has been recorded and is ready to be added to an invoice. To create the invoice, click the Create button at the top left and select Invoice. Choose the customer from the drop-down list. As soon as you do that, QuickBooks will display a panel on the right side showing any unbilled time and expenses connected to that client. This is a helpful feature because it saves you from entering those details manually and helps reduce mistakes. From that panel, click Add if you want to include individual items, or click Add All if you want to bring everything onto the invoice at once. QuickBooks will place those billable entries directly into the invoice for you. Take a moment to review the layout and confirm that the services, time, and charges appear the way you want them to. This quick review can help catch anything before it goes out to the customer. When everything looks good, click Save and Send. That's it. You've now created an invoice using billable time and expenses in QuickBooks Online in a clean, efficient way.